Today, police have released the annual crime report for 2025. The report shows that crime reduced by 10.2% over the past year. The Inspector General of Police, Abbas Byakagaba, says the reduction in crime is due to several factors, including better coordination among security agencies.
This is still work in progress. We are not yet fully to all the sub-counties of this country, and I believe once we get there, we shall have a better crime report in the years to come. We have so far covered 56% of the sub-counties, and efforts are being made to cover all sub-counties, including providing them with relevant resources.
He also notes that the presence of police at every sub-county has helped extend services closer to communities across the country.
The existence of a strong interagency mechanism under the able leadership of the Chief of Defense Forces has enhanced effective twinning of our capabilities. I thank with gratitude all the members of the interagency.
The Assistant Inspector General of Police, Tom Magambo, who heads the Criminal Investigations Directorate, says that despite the reduction in crime, there's still a challenge of having few investigators. Currently, one officer handles up to 54 cases.
One officer handling 54 cases, and globally, the desirable situation is about 1 to 12 cases. That's ranging per month. Now, this calls for a lot of capacity building, a lot of resourcing, so that we can be able to expedite the investigation. So that part is very important for you as we assess the performance of last year.
Magambo also spoke about the rising cases related to drug abuse, especially in schools.
While the figures here indicate that the cases we handled have reduced by about 30%, there is still a huge concern, especially in the public, when we see drugs of all sorts beginning to infiltrate our schools and our homes. So I think this is another area where the country is going to really take time and reflect, and I hope Parliament and all the concerned, because on average, every 2 weeks, we get a case of interest where a family, and interestingly, these families are of, I would say, well off to do. Children have been spoiled, they're taking drugs in schools. So this is an area where the figures show a reduction in terms of cases, the magnitude and the impact on our society is becoming of interest, and we hope to look forward to further discussions with key stakeholders on how we can address this problem.
Meanwhile, land disputes have increased according to the 2025 report, largely because more people are becoming aware of the value of owning land.
In 2025 alone, a total of 663 cases were reported to police compared to 397 in 2024, which indicated a 67% increase. But I want to put a disclaimer here. Land has so many other related cases, trespass, which necessarily are not reported as land conflicts. So when you cumulatively add all the different crimes, some have had murders in the land conflicts, trespass, all those have not been included here. We have just registered those cases where there were direct land wrangles. So this is another area which I think the stakeholders will continue discussing.
Raymond Tamale, NTV.